Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to the Big Sweep. Today, we're going to share 13 amazing uses for washing soda DIY cleaning solutions, along with the recipe for each of the 13 uses in the previous video. We're diving into the world of washing soda and uncovering 13 incredible uses and recipes that will transform the way you clean and maintain your home. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on these game-changing cleaning solutions. Let's get started. First tip is to create an eco-friendly all-purpose cleaner that's tough on grime. Here's the recipe. Mix 2 tablespoons of washing soda with 1 quart of warm water. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a fresh scent. Shake it up, and voila, you've got a powerful cleaner that's safe for your home. Tip number 2. Washing soda can be a laundry miracle. To banish stubborn stains, dissolve half a cup of washing soda in a bucket of warm water. Then soak your stained clothing in the bucket for an hour. Then wash as usual. Add a quarter cup of washing soda to your laundry detergent to make your clothes smell amazing. Number 3 is tackling a greasy oven, which is never fun, but here's an easy solution. Sprinkle a generous amount of washing soda on the oven's interior, and add water to create a paste. Cover the paste with plastic wrap to keep it moist. The washing soda will stop working if it dries out, plus it is easier to wipe up when it is damp. Let it sit overnight. The next day, scrub away the grime with ease. When you've got a clogged drain, tip number 4 uses washing soda to save the day. Pour half a cup of washing soda down the drain, followed by hot water. Wait for about 10 minutes, and watch that clog disappear. Bring your old upholstery back to life with tip number 5. Mix a quarter cup of washing soda with a cup of warm water. Dab a clean cloth in the solution and gently scrub your upholstery. Rinse with a clean, damp cloth, and watch the years melt away. You can say so long to tarnished silverware with tip number 6. Create a paste by mixing 3 parts washing soda and 1 part water. Apply it to your silverware, scrub gently, and watch them shine. Tip number 7. Don't forget about your dishwasher. To clean it, place a cup of washing soda in the bottom of the empty dishwasher and run a hot cycle. This will get rid of any buildup and odors. Spills happen, but with tip number 8, you don't need to panic. For fresh spills on carpet, blot with a paper towel. For older stains on carpet, mix 1 tablespoon of washing soda with a cup of warm water. Use a spray bottle to lightly mist the stain. Let it sit for 15 minutes, and then blot again with a clean cloth. Stains be gone. Tip number 9. A plugged toilet can benefit from washing soda. To unclog, pour 1 cup of washing soda down the toilet, followed by hot water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and give it a flush. For unwanted odors, tip number 10 is to create an odor-fighting paste by mixing equal parts of washing soda and water. Apply it to the smelly area, leave it for an hour, and then wipe away the paste and odor. Pet owners, tip number 11 is for you. To remove pet stains and odors, first blot the area with a paper towel. Then, create a solution by mixing a quarter cup of washing soda with 1 quart of warm water. Apply it to the stain, let it sit for 15 minutes, and blot it away. Repeat if necessary. Number 12 will help you say adios to those pesky fridge odors for good. Place an open box or bowl of washing soda in the back of your fridge. It will absorb odors and keep your fridge smelling fresh. As barbecue season approaches, number 13 will keep your grill clean. Make a paste with half a cup of washing soda and water, then apply it to your grill. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse. Your grill will be ready for some delicious barbecues. And now, you're armed with 13 incredible uses for washing soda, along with the recipes for each DIY cleaning solution. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fantastic content, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.